Hi everyone. In this demo, we'll be going over the capabilities of Azure Machine Learning Studio for developing an end-to-end machine learning production model. We'll also be demonstrating a successful API request to the consume model endpoints in order to output a response in real time. Azure provides two resources for running machine learning models and deployments. One of it is the automated ML. And this is a codeless configuration environment for running machine learning models. Then the second one is the Python SDK, which allows us to write Python codes. But before we go into each of these, we are going to look through the data sets which I've already uploaded and registered to the data store. So we'll first of all explore this data that we've uploaded to the data store. So these are the input variables here. And the y variable is the output scribe. The problem suggests a classification problem. So we'll go over to the automated ML in order to generate several runs on these data sets, which we've already done, and it shows from the status that it's completed. So in order to explore all the models through the models, and we can see numerous runs the AutoML generated. So the topmost, which is the voting assemble model. So we click through, and it has a 92%, approximately 92% accuracy. And we've been able to successfully deploy this model, the voting assemble model. As you can see the status here, deployment status is succeeded. So for us to get to this deployed model, let's go to the endpoints. The model endpoint has been consumed using the REST API, and it's been authenticated. So next up, we'll explore the pipeline run of using the Python SDK. So the best way for us to be able to access that is through experiments. And from the experiment, we see two successfully completed runs. One, the AutoML, which we just explored, and then the second one is the Python SDK run, which is also completed. So let's just quickly look at the Python SDK. So this is my notebook where we've been able to write the Python codes there to run an end-to-end machine learning production line. So these are the codes. And we've been able to successfully run it, so it's completed. So if we click here, the AutoML module, we'll see that the best performance from the Python SDK run is the voting example, with approximately 92% accuracy as well, which does not deviate so much from that of the automated ML. To make a successful API request to the consume model, we have to make changes to this Python file, which enables us to make a JSON payload request. Okay, so we'll reference the endpoints, the consumed endpoints, using this scoring URI. And then, because it's authenticated, we'll make reference to the authentication key. And this particular file demonstrates that two clients. So we are producing or providing two clients information as data points. Okay, so they are going to be subscribing to the bank loan. They need to be a USC that, so not subscribing to the bank loan, it will output a no. So let's make the call to the model. Okay, Python endpoint.py. Yes, so the first client is likely to, or rather is going to subscribe to the bank loan, while the second client will not be subscribing to the bank loan. So next we are going to look at the pipeline endpoints. So as you can see, the status is active, and which gives us this response of yes and no. Thank you very much.